Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your boy Drew, the Wolf of St. Pete, and today I'm going to show you how to pack your rugs for shipping. Here's a Valentine's Day rug that I recently just finished. It's not getting shipped, but I'm going to package it up pretty much the same way as if you were shipping it. So, a couple things that I use. I've got these plastic mailing tube bag things. I'll leave a link in the description. And I also have like a big roll of, it's like pretty much just like plastic wrap, but it's like a giant roll of it. First thing I usually do is I'll take the rug, figure out how I want to roll it. So we're just going to roll her up nice and tight. Cool. I'll just usually grab a couple pieces of extra yarn. You know, we have a ton of that lying around. Cut off a little piece. Slide it on under there. Turn her up like a little present. Now you have pretty much like a rug log. I'm going to take that rug log. And I like to use this plastic wrap as a precaution just in case it gets wet in transit. Couple layers, you know. Give her a little snip snip. That's probably good. Beautiful. Take this bad boy. Beautiful. And they sell these bags in all kinds of different sizes. This is just the size I figured was the best for me. I'm gonna take that, fold her on over. And you're just gonna slap her down on the sides. Technically, you could just ship it like this. Sometimes I'll throw it in a box, but really, this is good. You can throw a couple fragile stickers on it. Grab a, you got to put in the Wolf of St. Pete sticker. Fragile. And you're good to go. Throw her in a box, print out your label, slap her on there, slap her right on here. It's waterproof, so, and it's, if it got stabbed a couple times, that protection, the plastic should protect it a little. But if you're really, worried about it, definitely just throw it in a box. They make long, skinny boxes that would fit something like this. But I appreciate you guys. If you guys are looking for more stuff like this, more tutorials, just let me know down in the comments. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Peace.